In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the UG Discord server. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. If we can help you out further, I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But essentially, if you want to go ahead and do this, you're going to want to go ahead and open up Discord on any device, whether it's your PC or mobile device, and essentially just scroll down on the left side of your screen where all these servers are and select the little add a server button right here to pull up a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and choose join a server down at the very bottom. Now in this box where it does say invite link, what you're going to want to type is actually the following, and that is UGVR, all caps, no spaces, just like this. If you spell this wrong, this is not going to work, so make sure you spell it exactly like this. But once you type it in, simply go ahead and hit join server and wait for it to load, and boom, you're going to be immediately put into the UG Discord server. Now you could technically skip all of these if you would like. I would recommend just putting it something like videos next, and then you could just put finish just like so. And after you do get in, what you are going to need to do is actually go to this verification tab right here and then hit verify and just go through this verification process. And after doing so, you're going to have access to the rest of the server. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.